What tips would you give to your younger self when beginning in real estate wholesaling?
Man, that's actually, y'all got good questions, man. I love this. So my advice to my younger self would be to move faster. And so what I mean by that, and this hopefully will be helpful for people to understand, when I first started out, and for a few years, I didn't move with enough speed. And so, speed of implementation is key. And this is something I'm personally have been working on for years. Because here's what happens. You can find out about wholesaling. You can find out about a cold call script. You can watch every single one of Zach's videos. You can do anything. But if you can't implement with any sort of speed, you're not going to have much success. Or you'll have success, but you won't have the success that you could have. And the key to implementing with speed is that, things happen so fast. And especially with technology involved in wholesaling at this point. So for example, like text messaging, when you hear somebody say, hey, we're sending text, you need to change your script. The carriers are clamping down, different things are happening. You shouldn't still be sitting around trying to send out your old scripts. Like you got to implement with speed. You've got to be intentional about, making sure that you implement that adjustment in your business right away. A lot of people struggle with this, man. A lot of people, they drag their feet on stuff. I don't know. Maybe I'm going to wait for this paycheck. And it's like, if you want to do anything, great. If you want to be great, if you want to have the ideal life that you say that you want, you got to move with speed. Moving without speed, man, you lose a lot of time. You know what I mean? Like we're getting ready to hit mid-month. And so we think time is slow. But time is actually rapidly fast. And so because time is so fast, we as individuals have to move with speed to get to the place that we want to go.
Thank you so much for watching this video today. Consider liking this video. It helps the YouTube algorithm so my videos can get shown to more people, so I can help my mission on this channel to help you make over $100,000 in real estate wholesaling absolutely for free. If you're getting any value out of this whole channel or from the clip today, please consider subscribing to the channel. It means so much to me. Have a blessed day.